Strelitzia, bed of paradise. Let's see you and hey, look at it. Yeah? It grows nicely. Sorry, it's dusty, a bit dusty, but I like the how the plant is looking like. So huge here. Look at this one here. That's what you have now. Strelitzia, bed of paradise. Yeah, it's here in Zimbabwe, but it's commonly found in South Africa. Maybe that's where it originated. Now look at it, the blooms. Like in Africans, they call them blooms. Blooms. Here we go. Let me revisit again with you. My guys, I like these things. Look at it. Look at this. Ah, this is fantastic. Lastly here, there we go. From a distance, you can see. Danko, please subscribe. More comments are invited. Likes as much, man. Thank you for your subscription. Everyone who subscribed to our channel. You're welcome, most welcome. Danko.